A very warm welcome to all you wonderful people present here. Hi, I'm Rupali Suri, your host, your companion to share this wonderful evening with you. Well, ladies and gentlemen, today we have gathered here for a very special reason. And we are here to unveil the August issue of Mandate, which celebrates the 100th year of India. Well, ladies and gentlemen, without any further delay, I actually want Mr. Bachchan to get on to that reward and unveil the cover. Let's see how the cover looks like. Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the August issue of Mandate cover. Here we celebrate the 100th year of Indian cinema.
Dada,
I also want to take a great pride to introduce Mr. Ashok Sawant, Abhishek's makeup artist. He's been along with him for a very, very long time. And he actually gives a lot of his work credit to him. So, ladies and gentlemen, Ashok Sawant for you.
Yes, अभी वहाँ देखकर मुस्कुराइए।
हाँ, समोर मत, आता समय इधर।
That is so nice. Please, क्यों ना करें? So, मेरे साथ भी एक picture.
He is going to run away. He's going to leave me.
Okay. Now.
Come. Ji. Dada.
Well, now, ladies and gentlemen, I also request the iconic chairman of Magna Publishing Group, Mr. Nari Hira, and the editor of Mandate, Yuvraj Jadeja, to please uncover the latest issue and let's see how it actually looks like in person. This is specially for you all. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Mandate.
Well done, Dada.
Have a huge round of applause here. Come on, a little better.
खड़े हो जाए आ जाओ दादा हाँ जी कम ना रही हम तो
All of you straight?
all of you what what did I hear him right no
Bas.
Thank you.
देखा
Well, we're going to have a lot of you. Don't hurry.
अच्छा है ना
दादा कैसे लगा? अच्छा लग रहा है? अच्छा लग रहा है?
हाँ जी हाँ जी दादा वीडियो के लिए जैसे पकड़िए आप He's panicking.
Oh my God. You know what? We're not going to leave you, but Abhishek, I have a lot of questions to ask.
Sure. माइक नहीं चाहिए ना ठीक है
Well, now tell me, you're actually on the cover of the most popular men's magazine. How do you feel about it? You feel
I feel honored,
Very
especially
honored.
celebrating 100 years of Indian cinema, and I think any time you get the opportunity to stand next to Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, it's great fun. But this is very special because we get to stand, both Dad and I. Well, Dad is sitting, but we get to appear with possibly the two most important men in our lives, which are Ashok Dada and Deepak, who's Dad's makeup artist, who incidentally they happen to be brothers. So Deepak is Ashok Dada's elder brother, although he looks older. Ashok Dada's been my makeup artist since 1997. Deepak has been with my dad from before I was born. I think from the early 70s, Dada, Deepak. Yeah, I think almost 40 years with my dad. And their family, as far as I'm concerned, for any actor, their team is of most importance, and they're their family because we spend more time with them than we do with our own families. And Dada for me is like another father. He's always firing me when I misbehave or if I don't take care of myself, and he's always looked out for me. And apart from just being a wonderful makeup artist, he's a great guide and a source of inspiration for me.
Okay, now, first of all, the cover is very unique. The concept of this cover is so unique. I have never seen a concept like this. You have a makeup artist featuring with your girl.
Yeah.
So, when you were offered something like this, you even thought out to say a yes, or what was the first thing that came into your mind?
When are we shooting? Was my first question.
Wow.
So, no, I think it's great. You know, we as actors, and I'm not complaining, but we as actors get a fair share of the compliments and of the attention, especially when we're celebrating 100 years of cinema. And I think it's wonderful that Mandate took up the cause to even highlight some of the most important people who make the films possible, the people behind, the unsung heroes. And I think, you know, makeup artists really don't get their due credit. And for me, it's very emotional because I'm very, very close to my team, be it you know, my assistant or our drivers or our bodyguards or Dada, and they really make us the actors that we are, and they're largely responsible for the way we look, which I know in my case at times is not very good. Please complain to him. And but I think it's just brilliant that we get to spend time and actually give them their moment in front of the camera.
Oh, wow, very nice. Okay, now, as you said, this is the 100th year of Indian cinema. This is a landmark year for Indian cinema. So you want to tell me who, according to you, is the greatest actor for you?
Really?
Yes, no. I was about to say that, but actually I want to know who, according to you, besides Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, is the greatest actor to you?
Well, you know, for me, as an actor and as a fan, obviously it's going to be Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. But very honestly speaking, having been an actor for now 13 years, and I know what it takes to stand in front of the camera and give a shot, I really think anybody who manages to perform in front of a camera with all the pressures that it comes with is a great actor. So I really think that any actor, be it in their first film or they've done 100 films, from Yusuf Saab down to a newcomer who's currently shooting for his first film, I think they're all great actors, because it takes a lot of guts to do what we do, and it is difficult. And I really think they should be encouraged. So I think every actor who manages to be part of a film is great.
That is very modest according to me, and I am sure that everybody must be saying this in their heart. But also, I want to know your association. Of course, you go long back with Magna Publication.
Yeah.
Tell me about your association. Tell me where to start from, where does it end? Like, what is happening?
I was, as children growing up, and Nari Uncle knows this, there were no film magazines allowed in our house. They were banned. So the first film magazine I ever read happened to be one of his magazines. It was called Showtime.
Yeah.
And I read it for rather vain reasons. It was in 92 or 93, I can't remember. It was at the Khyber restaurant in town where Nari Uncle had a party.
Yeah, that's right.
And it was the first film party I'd ever gone to. And I remember somebody, he must have been there for sure. Bandigarji's been shooting me from when I was born, I think. But, yeah. Actually, it's true. He shot me as a kid, right? Yeah, he shot my daughter and me. So it's all generational here. And I remember one of the photographers who was there managed to get a photograph, and they did an article on me for some weird reason. I was still in school. And I remember going around school very discreetly trying to show off that I'm in a film magazine. And so that was my first official interaction with Magna. Obviously, I've known Nari Uncle since I was a kid and have enjoyed many fun evenings whenever he used to come over. And I used to love talking to him. He's a great conversationalist. And Dad and him have spent a lot of time together. And so I've known him personally, but Magna, my first thing, I think it was 93 or 94. With Showtime. So my association with them has been since then.
Very strong. The bond is very strong here. Well, now my questions are over. I actually throw the questions back on you. Throw the question back on the celebrity and see what the star answers. So we'll go one by
Raise
one.
your hands.
Yes, please.
Salma from Zoom, obviously, yes.
Yes, so you want to choose the answer.
I have to start with Salma from Zoom.
वैसे अभिषेक आज मैं दादा से पहला सवाल
प्लीज आप उनसे ही पूछिए सवाल, क्योंकि वो बात बिल्कुल नहीं करते हैं और बहुत शर्माते हैं।
बात नहीं करते। आज दादा,
चलो दादा, आपको आज बोलना ही पड़ेगा।
दादा ये बताइए कि हम अभिषेक को जानते हैं, वो बहुत अच्छे इंसान है, बहुत अच्छे एक्टर है, लेकिन ऐसा कोई एक सीक्रेट हमें जो बताइए उनका जो हम नहीं जानते उनके बारे में. You have to reveal one secret.
हाँ,
कुछ तो बताइए. सब
संभल के, कल सुबह शूटिंग है.
ऐसा कोई सीक्रेट नहीं है।
कुछ ऐसी कुछ अच्छी बात, कुछ anything.
हाँ, अच्छी बात बोल दीजिए आप दादा.
अच्छी बात यही है, इसका दिल बहुत बड़ा दिल है। मुझे नहीं बोलना।
मराठी मध्ये सांगा ना तुम्हाला मराठी special.
Don't press.
Okay, so we'll go on to the next one.
नहीं यार,
तो मैं फोर्स कर रहा हूँ आपको. अच्छा ही बोलिए, बहुत अच्छे इंसान हैं. जब भी मुझे मेकअप करना हो मुझे मेकअप करने देते हैं. हाँ, वो सब बोलो आप.
कभी टेम्पर नहीं लूज करते.
कभी नहीं.
Okay, we'll carry on with the
बहुत
next
अच्छे
one.
अभिषेक,
जी.
अमित जी ने काफी फिल्में, बहुत अच्छी फिल्में. उनमें से कौन सी ऐसी फिल्म है जो आपको प्रभावित किया और आज भी आपके दिमाग पे उनकी फिल्म?
ये तो बहुत ही मुश्किल सवाल है क्योंकि उनकी जितनी भी फिल्म्स हैं उन्होंने मुझे हमेशा से इंस्पायर की हैं. बचपन से लेके आज तक. सात हिंदुस्तानी से लेके फ़िलहाल जो फिल्म्स कर रहे हैं. मुझे लगता है कि उनकी एक बहुत ही अच्छी बात ये है कि फिल्म अच्छी हो ना हो, फिल्म चले ना चले, उनका काम जो है वो हमेशा बहुत अच्छा रहता है. और उनकी जो डेडिकेशन होती है एक फिल्म के लिए, मुझे पता नहीं कोई भी फिल्म जिसमें किसी को भी उनका काम अच्छा ना लगा हो. जब आपके सामने पापा के जैसे और हाँ, मैं क्या कहूँ, जो को भी काम करे अच्छा ही करते हैं. अभी हम लोग वी जस्ट ट्राई एंड बी एज गुड एज हिम. लेकिन एक फिल्म मैं तो नहीं चुन पाऊंगा, बहुत मुश्किल होगा ये.
जैसे वो कौन सा सीन था जब आपको पहली बार मेकअप के बाद आता था?
देखिए, मेरी पहली फिल्म जो थी वो थी रेफ्यूजी. और उसमें तो हम लोग को करीना और मुझे मेकअप आर्टिस्ट तो अलाउड थे नहीं, तो जो कंपनी के मेकअप आर्टिस्ट थे उन्होंने किया था. लेकिन जो मैंने रेफ्यूजी के लिए एक स्क्रीन टेस्ट की थी जेपी साहब के लिए, और दैट वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम आई फेस द मोशन कैमरा. और उसके लिए दीपक ने मेरा मेकअप किया था, मुझे याद है, कमालिस्तान स्टूडियोज़ में. वहाँ का जो रेलवे स्टेशन का जो सेट है वहाँ हम लोग ने शूट की थी. तो दीपक ने पहली बार मेरे लिए मेकअप किया था. दादा ने मेरे साथ एक और टेस्ट किया था, वो पहली बार थे, जस्ट अ टेस्ट, मेकअप टेस्ट. लेकिन फिर 13 जादू चल गया और ढाई अक्षर प्रेम के जो मेरे दूसरे और तीसरे फिल्म थे, उसके लिए दादा ने मेकअप शुरू किया था मेरे लिए. तो आई थिंक इट वाज विद ढाई अक्षर का फोटोशूट था ना दादा? हाँ जी, ढाई अक्षर प्रेम के वी डिड अ फोटोशूट विद ऐश्वर्या, माई सेल्फ एंड द लेट राज कंवर जी, एंड फॉर दैट वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम ही डिड माई मेकअप ऑफिशियली.
अभिषेक बच्चन जी की कई सारी फिल्में हैं जिनका रीमेक बना है, लाइक जंजीर बन गई है और अब डॉन, फिर अग्निपथ. ऐसी कौन सी फिल्म है जिसे आप रीमेक के तौर पे काम करना चाहेंगे? उनकी कई सारी फिल्में जिसे कई डायरेक्टर्स बना रहे हैं, लेकिन आपकी कौन सी फिल्म?
You know, I've always been asked this question, and I think all his films, any actor would want to do. Whether we'll be able to do it as well as him is obviously something to be seen. But I'd love to do all his films. I think they're all great.
फिर भी ऐसी कोई फिल्म जो आपके ज़हन में हो और उसे आप
सब के सब हैं मैम, जैसे मैंने अभी इनसे कहा था. Of myself. Oh, right. Of myself. You know, man, I actually hate all my performances. I don't like any of my performances. And I hope I don't start liking them either. Because I genuinely believe that the day you start liking your work is the day you become complacent. Whenever I see my work, and I see my work almost every day, I review my work, I make notes, I always find something I can improve. And somewhere that tells me that, okay, you're learning on the job, you know, you're trying to improve every day. But I've never been fully satisfied with any of my films. Which do I hate the least? That's difficult to say. You always find something wrong with the performance, you know. Even if I see Bol Bachchan was my last release, and you know, today when I see the film, I can see 10 scenes which I could have improved or done something better. And I think every actor is like that. You know, we are always looking to better ourselves from our last outing. So yeah, I'm not a big fan of my own work. Yeah.
Abhishek, Doom 3 is like one of the most awaited films of this
Thank
year.
you.
Tell us a little about how is it working, how did the shooting go, and how is it working with Mr. Perfectionist Amir Khan? Like, how is that?
Oh, it was great, you know. Dhoom is Dhoom is Dhoom, you know. It's the third time round, and we're looking forward to it. And Jay and Ali are back, and this time we have Amir with us, and you know what an honor for any actor to get the opportunity to work with Amir, and you know you just get to learn so much by just observing him, and he's so helpful, he's so caring, he's so giving as an actor. That I really feel very honored to have got the opportunity to work with him. And it's been a great experience, and yeah, let's see, we'll try and convince him to come back for Dhoom 4 as a good guy.
Yeah, Abhishek, talking about the guys, do you see yourself playing a villain? Like, you know, since the age of the villain is back with Vivek doing Carl, and you know, we have these big villains coming.
I was just asked this question upstairs. You know, we've had our mainstream heroes doing villainous roles for I don't know how long. I did it in Yuva, which was in 2004. You know, and my dad did it in Parwana, which was 1972 or 3.
It's true. Yeah.
So you know, and I think heroes have always done. It's got to do with a character that attracts you. You know, it's not about being the good guy or the bad guy. It's about doing an interesting character.
Okay, there we go. We have one more question.
Hello, how's the baby? Good.
Okay, when you work with a makeup artist, you need to completely submit yourself to that guy so he does his work really well on your face. How did that come about between Dada and you? Because his brother was working with your father for a very long time.
Yeah.
And he started off with you on a photo shoot, as you just said.
Yeah.
So how did that whole process come about?
Look at him, he's a big teddy bear. You can't help but love him. You know, whenever we travel anywhere, and if we have a long drive of say 7-8 hours, everybody in my team is vying to sit next to him. Because he's the most gizmo savvy, he's got all the latest gadgets, so you get to watch all the films. And then look at him, you can just easily sleep on him, and he's like a walking mattress. So he's the most comfortable person. So it's just, you know, I've known him from before he started working with me, obviously. But he's just so loving. I mean, you can't not trust him. And I've always submitted myself to him. And he's done great work with me, be it from just doing a normal look to, I mean, I think the most challenging film for him as a makeup artist was Guru, where he had to show me from the age of 15 to the age of 80. And I think he did it brilliantly. And I really feel that, you know, makeup artists aren't really given the kind of credit that is due to them. And so I've always just trusted him, and I know he's going to do what's right for me. And with him, there's never been any ego. He's a lot senior. He was working as a makeup artist before I was born, so he knows his job. But if there's anything I'm not happy with, he'll work with me on it. And I think that's always wonderful.
You know, as you said that the makeup artists are not given that kind of credit, do you think this step is a very good step?
Most definitely. That's why I think it's wonderful that that mandate did something like this. You know, to give people credit who don't generally get credit. Like I said initially, you know, we're always put in the front, and we very gladly take all the credit. But there are a lot of other people that always are in the mix to make us who we are, and it's high time we started recognizing them as well.
अभिषेक दौर एक ऐसा भी दौर आ चुका है जहाँ पर लोग सुपर हीरो बन रहे हैं, जैसे रावण हो गया, कृष्ण हो गया, तो क्या आपने भी कभी सोचा है कुछ ऐसा करने के लिए जहाँ पे हवा में उड़े लोगों को
अच्छा. She's evidently not seen my films. जी देखिए, कोई भी अच्छा फिल्म मिल जाए, कैरेक्टर मिल जाए, वो काफ़ी है हमारे लिए. I love Krish. I'm very excited. I spoke to Dugu and I told him I love the promo. And I'm very excited that Krish 3 is coming, and I wish him all the very best. वो मेरे बचपन के दोस्त हैं, बहुत ही मेहनती हैं, and he's put his life and soul, and you know, Rakesh Uncle is one of my favorite directors. I've loved each and every film of his, and I'm looking forward to it. So I think I'll leave it to Hrithik. I think he's the best at it.
Abhishek, undoubtedly, you know, some of your favorite movies, out of which Dostana 2 is obviously the most awaited movie that it's been waiting for a long time now. What do you want to say?
We've also been waiting for a very long time to make the film.
How was the entire thing, you know, shooting process?
We haven't started shooting yet, ma'am. We start shooting later in the year. I think November, if I'm not mistaken, is when we start shooting. Yeah.
Abhishek, Pakistan has just killed our 5 soldiers. So being a citizen, आप कैसे respond करना चाहते हैं? How should India कैसे fight back?
Well, officially we haven't been told who's responsible. There's only conjecture. But at a time like this, I think the government will take the necessary steps, we hope. as citizens, as somebody who has been given this opportunity by you to speak about it, my thoughts and my prayers are just with the families of the Jawans. You know, I've seen the kind of lives they lead. I had the great honor of working with a lot of them in a movie called LOC. So I really, you know, my thoughts and prayers with the families of the Jawans who've lost their lives, and it's tragic and very sad.
अभिषेक सितंबर में आप दुबई जा रहे हैं फॉर हैप्पी न्यू ईयर की
जी।
शूटिंग के लिए एंड यू प्लेइंग डबल रोल इस फिल्म में अगर मैं गलत ना हूं तो अगर न्यूज़ गलत ना हो तो टेल अस कि कितने एक्साइटेड हैं दुबई के लिए
I'm very excited, you know, to work with Farah. Farah's a dear friend, and I'm very excited to be part of Happy New Year. And I love working with Shah Rukh. I worked with him in Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna, and I think he's taking too much time to do another film with me, and it's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be a lot of fun, so I'm excited about
I
it.
think we take one last question here. One last. Abhishek, I'll give you the thing.
No, I can answer. I like talking.
So answer that first. Stand up.
Yeah, sorry.
What is that one thing that drives Aishwarya nuts about you?
I didn't hear the question.
What is the one thing that drives Aishwarya nuts about you?
That drives me nuts about her.
No, what drives her nuts about you?
Oh, you should ask her. I'm sure she has a big list. Huh?
Okay, what drives you about her?
What drives you nuts about her?
Right. If you see her and if you know her, you know there isn't much on that. She's just brilliant. And yeah, I have no complaints.
Okay, we'll take a question from Raya since he said that he loves talking.
Being a prankster on the sets, has Mr. Ashok ever been a
Target.
Of what?
Of your pranks.
You think anybody's going to mess with this guy? Look at him. मैंने कभी कुछ किया है मस्ती आपके साथ?
One more last question.
Yeah. A piece of advice. My father gives me a lot of advice, but one that I think, in terms of professionally, I think the greatest advice he gave me is be true to your work, be honest with your work, and give it your best. I think that's the best piece of advice any actor can have. Yeah, and be on time.
Yeah.
Speaking about Dostana 2, can we expect to see you in John's yellow boxers?
Were they boxers? That's a good idea, actually. I'm gonna tell Tarun. Yeah, you never know, huh? Maybe this time I'll come out of the water. Not sure how good that'll look, but we'll try.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, we must end here. Thank you for being here.
Thank you, guys.
Everyone.
Abhishek sir. Okay.
Abhishek, जरा
नीचे नहीं लेना है.
Abhishek sir. Abhishek sir.
Abhishek यहाँ पे stay. Abhishek यहाँ पे. आ जाओ दादा.
Abhishek, right sir.
Can I keep this? Yeah, sure. Let's use. ये आप लीजिए. दादा. Oh, he's already. एक और रख लो.
अभिषेक यहाँ पे अभिषेक स्ट्रेट एकदम स्ट्रेट
अभिषेक सर यहाँ
आ जाओ दादा.
अभिषेक लुक गया
ये पकड़ो ऐसे.
या
अभिषेक के सामने एकदम स्ट्रेट
चलो लाग क्यों रहे हो यार?
अभिषेक राइट में वन मोर लास्ट.
चलो थैंक यू.
अभिषेक प्लीज
जाने तो बोल के इधर खड़ा हो गया. युवा की शूटिंग कर रहा है.
बहुत दफा मिला हूँ आपको.
साइड में तो है. अभिषेक Sir, सामने.
Okay. Well done. Thank you very much.
You were fantastic.
Bye, Nari. I'm going.
Thanks for coming.
No, thank you for having me.
Okay, then see you down.
No, I'll just meet the rest of the gang.
Hello.
Hello. How are you? Why? Partying too much. Yeah. No, my pleasure.
Dada! You want me to fit in?
मिस्टर महेश्वरी, बोलिए बोलिए. प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन मेरी मीटिंग में शूट कर रहा हूँ, वर्ली में कर रहा हूँ.
तुम्ही चल रहा है संदेशा
क्या क्या?
चालू भी नहीं होगा 9 बजे तक मत बोलो मैं टाइम पास करके आ जाऊंगा मतलब टाइम पास 9:30 तक मैं बैठूंगी 9 बजे पढ़ती हूँ
अम्मो के नहीं जा सकते ना, that would be very stupid if I do that. Like you think over it. Rashmi ने भी join करना है. Rashmi ने Bollywood life.
So कहाँ जाना है मैडम?
IIJW.